Clown in a Cornfield, 2025, directed by Eli Craig, is a slasher horror film based on Adam Cesari's novel of the same name. The movie follows Quinn, Katie Douglas, a city girl who moves to the struggling town of Kettle Springs, where tensions between rebellious teens and bitter adults escalate into a blood-soaked nightmare. The town's former mascot, Friendo the Clown, becomes the face of terror as masked figures hunt Quinn and her friends through eerie cornfields. Critics have praised the film's genre-savvy approach, blending classic slasher tropes with modern social commentary. The movie delivers brutal kills and suspenseful sequences, though some reviews note that its tonal shifts between horror and satire feel uneven. The performances, particularly Douglas as Quinn, have been well received, adding emotional depth to the chaos. However, some critics argue that the film's big twist doesn't land as effectively as intended. Overall, Clown in a Cornfield is a fast-paced, gory slasher that plays with expectations while delivering plenty of thrills. If you enjoy horror films with a mix of nostalgia and fresh twists, this one might be worth checking out.